Introducing the 2022 Ford Focus Titan Edition with top-of-the-line features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and lane departure warning. This stylish hatchback in red boasts a 1.0T125 Mhev engine offering power and efficiency. With ABS, parking assistance, and collision avoidance braking, safety is a top priority. The interior is filled with luxury trim, cup holders, and ambient lighting for a comfortable ride. Complete with a full health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer servicing, this vehicle is ready for the road. Visit spiritmotorgroup.ie or call us today to learn more about this incredible Ford Focus Titan Edition.